Hi guys, this is Ajay. I welcome you all to our channel. This channel gives you a lot of knowledge about programming, and in this course we will learn how to code. Here you don't need any prior exposure to coding as we will start from pure basics. By following this series, you will be a good programmer and you will be able to code well enough. So without any delay, let's get into action with introduction to programming. Let's begin with machine. What is a machine? Machine is a thing made by man which helps to do the tasks easily. For example, take calculator. If you want to multiply two big numbers, it will take too much of time to complete the task. But if you use calculator instead, you will be doing the work within fraction of seconds. Similarly, if you take washing machine, if you wash your clothes using your hands, it will take too much of time and too much of energy. But if you use washing machine instead, it will be done very easily. So this machine helps us to complete the tasks easily. Computer is also a machine which helps us to complete the task of computing easily. Now, how to communicate with the computer? Let's suppose there are two persons, Lena and Thomas. They both know English, so they can communicate using English language. But to a computer, can we tell, hey computer, tell me the value of 80 factorial, otherwise I will beat you. Will it work? No, because computer can't understand your English language. Computer can understand only binary language which contains two digits, 1 and 0. To write each and every command in the program in binary language is very hard. So what should we do now? The solution was provided by high-level programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python. So we use this high-level language to communicate with our computer. But the problem here is, if we learn high-level program, computers can't understand this language because computers know only binary language. So how do we communicate this high-level language with the computer? Here comes the use of compiler. So compiler is a program that converts high-level program to assembly language, and this assembly language in turn will be converted into machine language using assembler. The whole process of converting high-level language into assembly language and assembly language into machine code is provided by the IDEs, Integrated Development Environment. So you can download any one of them, or even you can use online compilers like online GDB, etc. I make the videos on coding, so if the content is of interest to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.